Part 2 of the snowstorm. Guys, it's getting unbearable. We know. Let's turn on the news and see how the weather's gonna be. According to Old Hooker News, today is a snowstorm, as you all can probably tell. So our suggestions is get your heaters back out. Well, they should already be out since it's winter. And it's Christmas in 5 days. Celebration! But anyway, there's no time for celebration because it's freezing. So we recommend to get sleeping bags and blankets all over. But I repeat, do not go out of your home. I repeat, do not come out your home, as we've had reports of missing family members, so do not go out. Thank you. What just happened? I think the power turned out. Oh, great, that's all we need. Let's check if my phone's gonna turn on. It's freezing and they said we need a sleeping bag. Oh, it's not turning on, the stupid thing. Mom, can I swear? No, honey. Do not swear. Honey, I think we're gonna have to get out. Oh no, Rose, you're freezing. Oh, it's okay, honey. Honey, I think we're gonna have to do it. Do what? Get out. The cupboard. The cupboard! Yeah, we're gonna have to do it. But last time, I know, but we've gotta do it, so come on. Okay, I'll go get all the sleeping bags. Cupboard. Honey, look, all these sleeping bags. Let's find yours. Quick. Okay. Is that better, honey? No, we're gonna have to. Guys, go grab your sleeping bags. The only two people that don't have a sleeping bag is me and your father. We're gonna have to manage. But at least we'll be right in front of the fireplace. So, grab Noah. Are you crazy? It's your fault. How is it my fault? You left the door open, so that's how it got cold in here. I swear, if you do one more stupid thing, I'm literally gonna kill you. Okay. You're not actually gonna kill him, why? No, I was just joking, but seriously, don't do it. It's freezing, oh my god. Guys, it's so cold. I know. Okay, guys, grab your sleeping bag. Okay, where's my sleeping bag? I don't know which one's my sleeping bag. I can't remember. I think mine's this one. No, this is yours, Rowan. It stinks of you. Shut up, Parker. No one likes you. No, you shut up, Rowan. No one even likes you. Everyone literally says you're annoying. So all you do is yappity yap yap yap. You go, Parker. You're being such a slay sigma diva. Are you trying to join in with the trend? Yes, 6, 7. Well, don't try to join in with the trend because it's not working. So shut up, Mia. Yeah, shut up, Mia. Shut up, bro. No one likes you. You shut up, Parker. Oh, guys, can you just shut up for 1 minute? Oh, for goodness sake. Do I have to sit next to Rowan? You're sitting on the edge. You know that? For goodness sake. Right, I'm going to get mine. Quickly, get my... Whoa! Got my caterpillar. Hey, where's Mike? Oh yeah, my pup would say evil one. But I'm not saying Sigma, Mia, so don't even think about it. goodness sake. Why aren't I going on the chair? Just move that. Was that really on me? Because that made me even more cold. Come on, Poppy. We were the first ones cold in the first place. Hurry up, Mia. Jeez. Okay. Why is everyone shouting at me today? Literally, I'm getting sick of it. Oh my god, it's freezing. Is it better? Come on. Me, you literally sit with a leaf. It's freezing. I know it's freezing. We've done all we can. I know. Look, I'll order some heaters. 3, 2, 1. Cha-ching! They're here. Oh, we can't get them. Guys, I was gonna get heaters, but guess what? My house is full. Which is so sad. Why didn't I put any heaters down? Wait, yeah, I did. Guys, I've got a heater. Thank goodness. It's much better, but it's still freezing. I'm just going to go to... Okay, guys, go to bed. Okay. I'm staying up. I'm going to bed. Be careful in the elevator. We will. Yeah, we will. Yeah, if we get stuck in this elevator, I'm gonna burst out. Running away. Because we'll be in here with Rowan and he smells. So right. Hey, shut up, guys. Guys, I'm hungry. Who's got food? Someone's got food and I'm hungry. Oh no, the snow's come in. The snow's coming. I thought that was someone's food. No, it was snow, Dumbo. Shut up. Okay, this is my bunk. Much better. Yeah, we can just go to sleep and act like nothing's happening. Give me back my glasses. You know I need them. Yeah, because you're a baby. No, I'm not. Okay, I'm going right back downstairs if you stop being mean. Nope. I'm not being mean. But why have you got hot chocolate? I've not, unfortunately. Get my... I don't even know what character this is. But I will. Come on. Why was I stuck in the elevator with you so long? Don't you start to, Lily. Everyone's being mean to me today. Okay. Night, Mia. Love you. Love you too. You're the first one that said night. Night. I can't really bother to change into my pajamas. So. Wait, I'm gonna get my teddy and my pillow and go to sleep. I'm gonna make it night time. And the morning. In the morning. Okay. Guys, let's go check where Mommy and Daddy are. Cause it's warmed down a bit. It's warmed up a bit. So I'm going to check. Mommy, Daddy? Where's Mommy and Daddy? Guys, I can't find Mommy and Daddy. I think they're just downstairs. They must have slept downstairs, you know? Yeah, but I'm scared. Well, we can just go downstairs to them like we do every day. You don't need to worry. Yeah, you're just panicking all the time. Lily, you don't need to panic. Look, I'll come with you if you want, I guess. Oh, for goodness sake, what's going on? Guys, wake up, come on. We have to stick together. Come on, Lily. Why do we need to stick together? Just case something happens. Not like anything's gonna happen, will it? Wow, you've never done so much inspirational speaking. I know, I'm usually a bit of a wimp. But I'm inspirational Mia today. Shut up, Mia. Well, we're trying to be nice today, okay? And you're just ruining it, so shut up. We're being nice since when did we arrange that? We just decided you weren't part of it. You always leave me out. Come on, let's go. Look, I'll even hold your hand. Nah, I'm fine. Wait, Mummy and Daddy aren't here. It's okay, we can just go downstairs with them. Oh. Huh? Wait, what? I knew it. We were going to be stuck down here forever. Oh no, we're not. I'm going to make it work. Stop working. Why does it not work? Sorry guys, I have a cough. Anyway, back on with the roleplay. Why is it not opening? It's not opening. I knew it stuck down here. Mia, you lied. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. We'll just... Oh god. This is a problem. The heaters have stopped working. Like, I'm going to take charge again. Guys, everyone inside, if you don't come inside, I am going to push you inside, and you know. Okay, everyone, put on your warmest clothes, and yeah, and then put on your pajamas. I mean, no, sleeping suit. You know what I mean. Yeah, we do. Come on. It's freezing. I know. For goodness sake, it's all... I don't even know whose fault it is, but I can't be bothered with blaming people, so... Come on. I can't even blame Rowan. That's saying something, guys. We can't even blame Rowan. Okay, guys. We're all just gonna have to go to sleep. Okay. I'm scared. We're all scared. But we're gonna just have to deal with it. Look, it's okay, Lily. I will, Mommy, Daddy. It's okay. Look, I'll read you the One Happy Onion book. It's your favorite, even though we've read it 50 million times. It's still your favorite, isn't it? Yep. Once upon a time, there was a happy onion. He was very happy. Meanwhile, downstairs. Morning. Oh my god. Why did we sleep downstairs? I don't know. Oh my god, where are the twins? I don't know. And Mia! Oh, we must have slept downstairs. At least we can reach them. Why haven't they come downstairs yet? It's freezing upstairs. We've got heaters down here, but there's no heaters upstairs. Why haven't they come? The door's locked. The elevator's not working. The elevator's not working. Now whose fault is this? You opened the door on their floor, didn't you? I didn't mean to, but you still did. No, my babies are gonna die. Mom, I'm sure they're not gonna die. They'll just... Mia's responsible. She can do this. But she's only 9 years old. Well, I could do it. Yeah, but you're 13. True point. Oh my goodness. I hope they're alright. Imagine this happening 5 days, no, 4 days till Christmas. I can't believe it. My babies. Oh, honey. It's okay. Dad, I think you better stay back. Yeah, you better stay back. I'm coming to get you. No, Mom, stop it. It's not going to make our situation any better. You're doing very inspirational words today. Come on. I've got a plan. Better be useful. We'll feed the kids and then we'll figure out a way. Okay. Can't remember life without so many kids. Is this Rose I've got? Yeah. It's Rose. Rose, get in your high chair. Wait, we've got another heater? That's useful. So we were asleep with only one heater on. Typical. Anyway, let's just feed them a warm. Oh, the warm is not working. Oh, great. Is that good, Noah? Good. Is this good? Is it good? Good. Okay, now we've got to figure out a way. Guys, I'm so sorry. This was a long one, I think. Come back for part 3.